Currimao, an astonishing place filled with beauty. The municipality of Currimao is known for its beautiful beaches and rock formations. It is a perfect place where tourists can see the breathtaking view and experience a one-of-a-kind encounter with sea life. But behind these majestic beaches and grandiose paradise is the ugly truth that lies within it. This ugly truth is emerging and somewhat showing its detrimental effects on nature. We may not totally notice, but pollution is slowly degrading and killing the biodiversity of this place. So how does pollution affect the marine ecosystem of Currimao, Ilocos Norte? As we survey around the area, we have noticed a lot of trash that has been left by the tourists. Plastics and glass bottles, textiles, diapers, metals, rubbers, styrofoam, and other wastes are there on the rock formations, and some are even washed up on the beach. But let's take a look at on some statistics. Did you know that there are 2.2 million metric tons of organic water pollution that occur in the Philippines each year, and each type of pollutant can have a different and negative effects that can hurt human health and environment. Water pollution contributes to the biodiversity loss in many ways, namely habitat destruction, disruption of the food chain, decreasing the level of oxygen in the water, and many more.
Another causes of biodiversity loss in marine ecosystem is the overexploitation of fish and also the IUU fishing. The overexploitation of fish and IUU fishing are closely linked and can both contribute to biodiversity loss in several ways. The first one is the depletion of target species. Overexploitation of fish through legal and illegal fishing practices, including IUU fishing, can lead to the depletion of target fish species. When their populations decline or collapse, it disrupts the balance within ecosystems and can have cascading effects on other species that depend on them for food or other ecological interactions. Second one is the impacts on non-target species. Both overexploitation and IUU fishing can have significant impacts on non-target species, including bycatch. If we say bycatch, it refers to the unintentional capture of non-target species such as marine mammals, sea turtles, and seabirds in fishing gear. Overfishing and illegal fishing practices can result in high levels of bycatch, leading to injury, mortality, or disruption of reproductive cycles for these non-target species. The third one is habitat degradation. Overexploitation of fish and the IUU fishing can both contribute to habitat degradation in marine ecosystem. Destructive fishing practices such as dynamite fishing can cause physical damage to critical habitats like coral reefs and seagrass beds. So all of these reasons directly contribute to the biodiversity loss and affect the overall health and functioning of the marine ecosystem.
So, what should we do?
Mitigating the causes of overfishing, pollution, and IUU, or the illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, is crucial for the conservation and sustainability of the marine ecosystem. So here are some ways on how to address these issues. First is implement and enforce effective fisheries management. Second is strengthen international cooperation and governance. Third is combat illegal fishing. Fourth is to reduce pollution and promote sustainable practices. Fifth is to raise awareness and promote responsible consumer choices. Sixth is invest in research and innovation. And lastly is to collaborate with local communities and stakeholders.
So to further develop the beauty of marine ecosystem and to address the issues of overfishing, here are the several solutions that can be implemented by starting off sustainable fishing practices. By implementing sustainable fishing practices is crucial for preserving marine ecosystem because that includes setting catch limits, implementing fishing quotas, and using selective fishing methods that reduce bycatch or the unintentional capture of the non-target species. Next is promoting sustainable aquaculture. Encouraging sustainable aquaculture reduce the pressure on wild fish stocks and to promote responsible farming techniques that reduce or minimize the release of pollutants and to prevent escape of wild fish into the wild and to avoid the use of antibiotics and chemical harmful to the environment.
So another key approach to develop the beauty of marine ecosystem is innovation and research. By investing in scientific researches and technological innovations, it will lead to a better understanding in marine ecosystems and the development of more sustainable fishing techniques. So we can include here is what we call data analysis methods for informed decision making. So by implementing these solutions, we can foster the sustainable development of marine ecosystems, preserve biodiversity, and ensure the beauty and vitality of these environments for future generations.
So that concludes our blog for today about marine ecosystem.
We hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching. We are Team Savanna!